How to transfer tickets from Seatgeeks to Ticketmaster. Hello everybody and welcome back to our channel. So let's get started without any further ado. So it's not possible to directly transfer tickets from Seatgeeks to Ticketmaster. They are separate platforms and do not have direct integration for ticket transfers. If you need to move tickets between the two, you will need to resell the ticket on the Seatgeek and then purchase a new ticket on Ticketmaster. So, if you like to move your Seatgeek tickets to Ticketmaster, you'll need to send them on a Seatgeek platform. You can list your ticket for sales on Seatgeek Marketplace, and once your ticket sells, you'll receive a payment according to your Seatgeek payout process. And after selling your tickets on Seatgeek, you can then purchase a new ticket for the same events on Ticketmaster. Be aware that there might be price differences and potential fees associated with buying and selling tickets. Other option you can try is ticket transfer emails. If you have received a ticket transfer email from Seatgeek, you'll need to accept the transfer and then create a Seatgeek account using the same email address used for the original purchase. Also, if you're having a trouble finding the ticket transfer email, you can search for it using keywords like transfer, artist name, or email address. And that's how you do it, guys. Thank you all for watching the video till the very end and stay tuned until our next upload.